Uh, Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is for eighth grade. Today is June 4th, 2021, and the topic for today is grammar class, a game. Okay, so we need to finish the grammar class today, but don't forget that when you are doing grammar, you are doing at the same time one homework or an exam. Okay, this is something that you need to keep in mind. And don't forget also that when we're talking about grammar, it means that I'm going to explain to you in English and also in Spanish at the same time. So be careful with that. So maybe you understand better if I explain to you the grammar point in English and also in Spanish. Okay. Right. So let's go quickly. Let's go quickly to the grammar class. And but before that, I just want to know you that you are learning English with music. So in your free time, when you are doing your homework, so you put English music, and then you are learning in English, especially the pronunciation. So keep in mind, if I want to improve my pronunciation, I need to listen English music and the music that I like it, of course, definitely. I mean, if you are interested in learning English, just listen the music that you like it and listen the music that you want to learn. Because if you don't like the music, well, it will be complicated for you. It will be complicated to understand, and you perhaps you getting boring, and then you change. But just keep in mind that I need to listen with music, but the music that I like it. Good. Now Let's go to let's go to the grammar class right now. You know, um, something. Let's making a little big. I mean, let's do a little review about the grammar class that we did last class. So let's see. Let's write a little bit. So number one is that you understand and you remember this auxiliary that we use for future. It means that indicates that you are doing something in the future, but at the same time, you're giving advice. So first of all, you need to know the pronunciation. So pronounce this, it means similar to say, um, should. So you never pronounce O or L. No L, no O. Should. Should. So in Spanish, it means debería. So debería is like say something that is a possibility or is an advice. Okay, got it? This is a possibility or is an advice for you. So this is an example. Maria Alejandra, you should listen English music. You should. So I'm giving to you an advice. You should listen English music in your house. Got it? Sophia, you should learn new vocabulary. So I'm telling you, I am giving to you an advice. Advice, consejo. I should or you should listen English music in your house. You should you should um, learn more words. Remember, should is also auxiliary. It means that you can do questions. So keep in mind that you can do it questions with that. So one of the examples that we can do it right now, it means that perhaps when I say you should learn, you should, oh, I wrote, okay, here, when I say to you that you should learn English. You should learn English with music, with music. So I'm telling you this, I'm giving to you an advice. I'm giving un consejo. You should learn. Tú deberías aprender inglés con música. You should learn English with music, right? So in this moment, if I want to do the question, it is the same process as all the auxiliary. So you say first should. So if you want to make it the question, so first what you need to do, it's to write first the auxiliary, and then it's a question. Should you learn English with music? So this is the question because you write in this part, you write should first. Okay. And remember, should is the auxiliary. Got it? This? Remember this in the case also for future. So when I said you shouldn't, yeah, I'm just giving an advice. You shouldn't, this is a negative form. You shouldn't learn, this is an example. You shouldn't learn English. So this is my advice. You shouldn't learn English. You shouldn't learn English with, uh, you shouldn't learn English with, let me see, uh, what about this? I said you shouldn't learn English with uh, bad environment. That could be very, it could be possible. Bad in environment, enviro, environment. You shouldn't learn English with bad. What do you mean it's bad? A bad environment or in with difficult situations. I mean, if you go to learn English and you don't have uh, the options to learn properly, so you are not learning excellent. So that's why I say you shouldn't learn English with bad environment. Tú no deberías aprender inglés con un ambiente muy pesado. So if you go to the classroom and people is bothering you and the teacher is pushing you to learn quickly and or it's the class is very boring because you don't understand. So on the environment is uh, complicated for you. It's complicated for you to understand that. Okay. So keep in mind that that we are telling this. All right. Okay, I forgot some. Here it's an environment. So this is what we studied last class, and then we go to another class. Hold on one moment, please. Just a moment. Hold on. Give me 1 second, please. So hello. So attention, please. I'm sorry. Now let's continue. So yesterday, another aspect, another uh, review that we're gonna do or we're gonna study. It's how many and how much. Remember, we studied that. So we need to know how many. It's when you can uh, countable. Countable, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And first, you need to know what it means, how many, cuánto o cuántos. It could be singular or plural, yes? And how much. Yes, and how much? Uncountable. Yes, understand me this? We studied this last class. Is that right? I'm sorry, one moment. Diego Díaz, ¿entiende lo que estamos haciendo? Esto ya lo habíamos visto, solamente hacemos como un feedback. Correct? ¿Cierto? That's correct? Diego? Sofía Díaz or Majo? Yes, we studied this. Esto ya lo habíamos visto. It's just a
Yes,
review.
teacher.
Es just
Yes.
review. Entonces, importante saber qué es how many y how much. En términos generales, cuánto. La palabra cuánto o cuántos. So how many, how much? One is countable and the other is uncountable. So when you are doing a question, when you say how much, separate a little bit, how much, it means you're referring to uncountable. How much, how much water, in this case, this is an example, how much water, cuánta agua, and then we do the question, cuánta agua, y ahí se hace la pregunta, how much water do you want? How much water do you want? You're like a waiter, eres como un mesero, entonces vas a servir el agua, entonces dice, ¿cuánta agua quieres? How much water do you want? I want just a little, or I want a cup of, or give me whatever, some. Okay, so this is what we have learned here is to, oh my goodness, to know that how much water, in this case, water, it's uncountable. O sea, que la palabra agua es incontable, por eso usamos how much. Correct? Por tener how much es incontable, entonces por eso usamos la palabra water, la palabra rice, sand. Hay muchas palabras que son como muy abstractas. Esas son las que son incontables. Por ejemplo, aquí si yo quisiera borrar aquí water y coloco how much love, cuánto amor do you want or do you have for me? No sé. Entonces, el amor no se puede contar. Entonces, por eso es how much. So, how much water? So, how much water do you want? How much water do you want? But this is different when you say how many, porque aquí sí puede contar. Entonces, ¿cuántos estudiantes tienen la cámara prendida? How many students? Entonces, colocamos how many students. Hasta ahí diría cuántos estudiantes. Y ahora sí hacemos la pregunta. How many students uh, do they turn on the cameras? And that's all the question. Entonces, ¿cuántos estudiantes prenden la cámara? Entonces, ahí uno ya puede decir, bueno, ¿cuántos? Entonces uno los cuenta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. Got it this? How many, how much? Un poquito más claro, Diego o Paula o alguien tiene alguna pregunta. How many, how much? Any question? Tomás Bernal, ¿está ahí o no? Aquí la idea es aprendernos esas dos palabritas. How much?
Yes, teacher.
How many? Ok, muy bien. Eso es como aprender a saber qué es contable y qué es incontable. Right? Okay, good. So let's go to the next section. Ahora vamos a mirar lo último que vimos y lo último que vimos se llama some and any. Is that right? Vimos la palabra some, ¿cierto? Y la palabra any. Entonces, básicamente vamos a aprenderlas de la siguiente. Primero, well, let me explain to you a little bit using the marker. Bueno, estas dos palabras, lo primero que tenemos que entender es que significan lo mismo. Entonces debemos de saber en español qué significan. Entonces lo primero significa uno que es plural. Entonces, pues, aunque esta palabra a veces aparece también singular, pero en términos generales es plural. Entonces, primero que todo debo saber qué significa la palabra some, any. Son dos palabras diferentes, pero significan lo mismo. Entonces, unos, unos o algunas. Eso es lo que significa. Unos, unos, unas, algunos, algunos, femenino, masculino. Este some, en términos generales, se utiliza para las oraciones afirmativas, o sea, positivas. ¿Sí? Y este any en general se utiliza para las oraciones negativas y preguntas. Digamos que esa es la forma de cómo utilizar el some y el any. No sé si recuerdan en los artículos que nosotros teníamos el artículo on y la palabra and. Las dos significaban lo mismo, pero uno usaba an cuando empezaba una consonante acá. Entonces, un carro, a car. Entonces uno decía a y colocaba aquí car. Y colocaba a porque esta es una consonante. Ese es singular, este es de una cosa, en cambio acá es de dos, para en adelante. Y este an generalmente lo colocábamos cuando empieza con vocal. Entonces, la palabra empieza con vocal apple. Entonces, apple, para que no hayan como dos vocales de seguidas a apple, entonces colocamos acá an y la palabra apple. An apple. Perciben que aquí es an y aquí es a. Entonces, digamos que esta regla que está acá, aquí también se utiliza. Entonces, aquí utilizamos la palabra son para las oraciones afirmativas y la palabra any para las oraciones negativas o preguntas. Nevertheless, aunque la palabra some, esta palabra some es una palabra incontable, bueno, a veces también any también. Entonces, hay preguntas que en inglés son incontables. Ya sabemos que son incontables. El agua, el amor, cosas que son intangibles, que son como plurales. Entonces, hay preguntas acá también, pero la característica de las preguntas acá tiene que ser incontables. Uncountable. O sea, uncountable quiere decir que en las dos se puede hacer preguntas, pero una contable y la otra, una incontable y la otra contable. Digamos que esa es la diferencia entre las dos. Esto sí hay que, digamos, aprendérselo porque en gramática, en lo que estamos viendo, pues va a salir mucho. ¿Ok? Digamos que esas son las reglas generales de, de los artículos. Bien. Eso sería como en términos generales lo que vamos a ver en la unidad 4 y ahora vamos a pasar a la unidad 5. Sin embargo, vamos a dejarlos ahí un momentico porque vamos a ver el último tema. ¿Listo? El último tema, and that's all. ¿Alguna pregunta del some y any? Recuerde que ese some any, ahorita vamos a completar unas páginas y esa es como la misma tarea, por decirlo así. Right? ¿Alguna pregunta? Samuel Cortés, any question?
No, teacher.
Bueno, sí, esto suena raro, pero hay que aprendérnoslo y para eso vamos a hacer ejercicios. Pero si nos aprendemos como entre comillas esta reglas, sí que son reglas, rules, grammar rules, pues como que nos va a facilitar entender un poquito el por qué. Good. Now, let's go finally, finally, we have, tenemos la palabra a little. Entonces, la idea de little es que esta palabra a little, en términos generales, significa lo mismo que decir, bueno, a veces es que a veces aparece con la A y a veces no aparece con la A. Few. Oh my goodness. Estas dos palabras significan lo mismo. A veces aparece con la A y a veces no aparece. O sea, uno puede escribir solo little. ¿Se acuerdan como la película Little Stewart o Little Chicken? O sea, uno puede colocar, en general puede colocar las dos palabras sin la A, pero pues acá las determinan que a little and few. ¿Cuál es la diferencia? Las dos significan un poco, como de cantidad. ¿Cuál es la diferencia? Que little es una palabra uncountable, que es una palabra incontable. Debemos de saber qué es incontable en términos generales. Uncountable. Y la palabra few sí es contable. Pero aquí lo más importante es que ustedes se aprendan de memoria qué quiere decir little, poco, few, poco también. Eso es todo. Y cómo usarlos en cuáles lugares, ¿sí? Entonces, yo tengo pocos amigos. ¿Cómo podría decir yo tengo pocos amigos, Valeria? ¿Sería contable o incontable? Yo tengo pocos amigos.
Contable.
Countable, sí, porque puedo decir 1, 2, 3, 4. Regálame un poquito de azúcar. Ese azúcar, uncountable, es incontable porque es sugar, es azúcar, pero pues uno no se va a poner a contar, ¿sí? Pues ahí es la diferencia entre las oraciones. Vamos a hacer ejercicios. Let's go to page 44. Vamos a la página 44. Let's go, everybody. Let's see. ¿Alguna pregunta? Any question about this? Recuerde que la clase de hoy es gramática, ¿ok? Grammar class. Keep in mind that. Sara Vázquez, Sara. Hello, Sara. Hello, Sara. Hello. It was, oh, are you in the class? ¿Estás en clase,
Yo
Sara?
estoy viendo la página.
Excuse me.
Ah, pues, ¿qué pasó?
The question is que si bueno, vamos ahora sí, listo, vamos a abrir la página, vamos a hacer el ejercicio page 44, 44. Vamos a todos a ingresar los que tengan el libro a la página 44. Go, page 44. El primer ejercicio es de the auxiliar should. Recuerden cómo se pronuncia, should. Let me see. Okay, so we go to page 44. Oh, here. Aquí ya habíamos con algunos, ¿sí? Lo que veo ya habíamos hecho algunos ejercicios, ¿sí?
Yes, teacher.
Ok, entonces vamos a terminar aquí, finish con, vamos a terminar rápido con Gabriela Farfán. Gabriela, hello
Yes,
Gabriela.
teacher.
Help me, ayúdeme, por favor. Complete the advice. Complete el consejo with should or shouldn't. ¿Listo? Entonces, ¿cuál colocas acá? Should or shouldn't?
Should.
Should. Entonces, esta palabra la colocamos acá. You, what should I eat? ¿Qué debería comer yo? That's a good advice. So, don't eat fat food. Okay. Okay, got it. And next, please.
Should.
Should, a game should. Okay, you should eat a lot of fruits. Yes. Yes, very good. Spectacular. B.
Should.
So B is, should I eat rice and potatoes?
Yes.
Well, it's possible both. Yeah, it's possible. What it means, en este caso, lo que pasa es que están diciendo que son muchas harinas, por eso, pues, de pronto podría ser shouldn't. ¿Sí me explico? De acuerdo a una nutrición, ¿ok? Got it, is? Okay, well, don't worry. Let's do it this, should. Okay, and continue. Yes, you.
You should and shouldn't.
But, okay, so you should, yes, you should, but you shouldn't, okay, eat a lot of candies. Okay, and C,
Shouldn't.
shouldn't drink soda. Yeah, soda has many, you know soda? Soda, gaseosa en general. La palabra soda en inglés, gaseosa. Good, okay, good. And continue.
Shouldn't and should.
This and then here, okay. And what else? And this, the,
Should.
so what other food should I eat? Okay, here. And finally,
Shouldn't.
shouldn't. Okay. Now look at this. Match according to this. So you need to write A, B, C, D, E in these gaps, in these spaces. Okay, so should I eat more? Okay, okay. Now I want is you read for me. Quiero que leas para mí, por favor, para escuchar su pronunciación y una de estas vamos a colocarla acá. Lee la primera o cualquiera.
¿Leo las preguntas, profe?
You need to join this. Read this. Lee esta la primera. Read one.
Should I eat more fruit?
Fruit. Okay. So according to this, you need to give the answer. Leas como la respuesta. Should I eat more fruit? ¿Cuál sería la respuesta? Read this. Léelas todas, por favor, y miramos a ver cuál de las es.
You should drink water.
No.
You
Okay.
shouldn't eat so much fast food.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the doctor.
Mm-hmm.
You should save some for later.
You should say some for later. Yeah. So, and the last?
Yes, you should.
So, you write the letter A to here. Here, yes?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go B.
What should I drink?
And the answer is?
You should drink water.
Yes. Continue, please.
I like something that, and now I feel
I feel, I
ill.
feel ill, enfermo.
Mm, you should go to the doctor.
You should go to the doctor. So I ate something bad. Me comí algo malo, something bad. So you should go to the doctor. It's here, yeah? D,
I feel food, but this
what? Excuse me, repeat again, please. Repeat.
is the yes.
D, yes, D. Read D.
Let's have a hamburger and fries.
Remember this. Recuerde siempre que la H en inglés se pronuncia como una J. Entonces, ja. ¿Me explico? Siempre que generalmente las H se pronuncian una J, como house, horse. Entonces, hamburger. Okay, repeat again, please. Repeat again.
Let's have a hamburger and fries.
Mm-hmm.
Is we shouldn't eat so much fast food.
Exactly. Very good. Yes, we shouldn't. Yeah, no, not too much. Okay. And finally, E,
I feel full,
full. Yes.
but this pasta is delicious.
Yes, I feel full. Lleno. For the pasta.
You, you should save some for later.
Yes. Yeah, that's correct. Maybe some vocabulary is the problem here. Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's go to, thank you very much, Mr. Kevin Martinez. Kevin, hello, Mr. Kevin.
Yes, teacher.
Help me in this exercise 4. Okay, exercise 4. Look at the picture or pictures in general. 1, look at the pictures and write a sentence giving food or drink advice for each situation. Use should or shouldn't. He has flu. Write a phrase. Flu es gripa, ¿no? Flu. So, he has flu. ¿Qué debería hacer él?
You should
No,
take
ok, according to this,
drink.
sería he, ¿no? Porque estamos hablando de él. He has flu. Él
Ah,
tiene.
he should sleep. You no, he should have sleep. O sea, que tenga sueño, que vaya a dormir.
No, entonces,
He should,
he should go to
he
bed.
should go to the bed. Yes.
Yeah, okay, oh, go to the bed. Yes, it has sense. I can write here. No puedo escribir esa, pero yes, it has sense. Sí, tiene sentido. Let me see if I can write here. I'm not sure. Maybe. No. Oh my goodness. No, I don't. Oh, here, maybe. So what is the answer in this case, in this flu? He what? Repeat again, Mr.
He should go to the bed.
Should go to the bed. Yes. And he should take a pill, que se tome una pasta or something like that. Okay, and
Yes.
what about B? Let's go B. B.
Teacher, I don't know what is thirsty.
Thirsty. Repeat.
Thirsty.
Thirsty. Thirsty.
Thirsty.
Very good.
Thirsty.
Thirsty es sed. Cuando uno tiene sed. Thirsty.
Okay. She should
She
drink
should.
water.
Perfect. Yes, a good pronunciation. Ya estamos aprendiendo a pronunciar should. You should what? Repeat.
She should drink water.
Yeah, drink. Yes, water or some water. ¿Qué pasa si yo coloco some water? ¿Tú qué entiendes cuando digo some water?
algo de agua.
Yes, perfect. Yes, it is. Yes, it's true. Now, see, look at this. They feel sick.
Teacher, what is the meaning of sick?
Sick, enfermo.
Yes. They
He,
they should take pills.
they should take what?
Pills. Píldoras. O medicina.
Pills for
Pills.
what? Pero es que ellos están así porque
Or
comieron
go
mucho.
to the hospital.
Ellos, ellos comieron mucho, entonces el consejo sería que no coman tanta comida chatarra. ¿Cómo se diría? Ellos no deberían
Ah,
comer comida chatarra.
they sh- they shouldn't
Yes, they shouldn't
eat
eat.
fast food.
Correct. And that's all. Finished. That is good. Yes, that's all for this page. Any question? ¿Alguna pregunta del should?